In the last class, we have started the topic preparations for the youth festival. In this topic, we have completed activity 2.7 preparing the letter for parents by using the mail merge techniques. Okay, are you remembering all those? Okay, so today we are going to start activity 2.8 preparing participants card. Okay, so this is a model for participants card. Can you see the sample of a participants card? Okay. So, you want to create such a sample for the participants card by the help of LibreOffice Writer. Okay. Now, you can go for Home, then School Resources, Standard 10. Here you can see participants.ods. Okay, can you see here participants.ods file, which means that it is a LibreOffice Calc file. Okay, ODS means LibreOffice Calc file. So now I am just opening that. This is the participants.ods file. Okay, how many fields are there? Register number, name, class, then item 1, item 2, item 3 for the youth festival. Okay, so here you can see the register number, then name Amal Krishna AV, then class 8th A, and he is participated for 3 items: light music, Mappila part, elocution. Okay, likewise you can see how many children's details. 130 means that is the register number. Okay, so here are 30 students are there for making the participants card. Okay, now I just minimize this and you can open the file card.odt. See, here this card is already created for you. Okay, 4 cards are created in a single page. Okay, here we can go for the first card. What is the heading? School Kalolsavam 2017, then date, then name of the school. Okay, then you can see participants card as a heading. Here you can see name, class, item, 3 items. Just keep the cursor after name. Okay, then we can use the mail merge technique. How can you use mail merge technique? Go for insert, field, more fields. Okay, we have opened the mail merge window in the last class for creating the invitation card for the parents. Okay, then select the database, then mail merge field. Now you can browse which file? Yes, participants.ods file from the school resources. Standard 10. Go for participants.ods file. Here it is. Open that. Click on this arrow. Click on the sheet 1. Now you can see register number, name, item 1 and all those things that we have seen in the calc. Do you remember this? Okay, register number, name, class, item 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we want to keep this fields window in a side. Okay, place the cursor just after name, then select name. We don't want the register number. Okay, so click on name, then click on insert, then place the cursor after class, then double click or click on insert menu, then item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, so we have filled the first card. Okay, this is the first card, we have filled that. See, there are another 3 more cards you can see in a single document. Okay, for that move the cursor to the second card and double click the next record in the database window. So click here the cursor. Then now it is in the mail merge field. Okay. So if you want to enter the details into the second card, you want to double click the next record. So now I am just double clicking that. At that time you want to observe what changes is happening to the cursor. Okay. So double clicking next record. See, you can see the cursor has thickened. Okay. So now it is next record is activated. Next record is in which tab? Database tab. Okay. Now again you want to select mail merge field. Okay. Mail merge field. Then include the fields. Register number is not needed. So name. Then against the class you can include class. Then item 1. Item 2, then item 3. Okay. Similarly, you want to include the fields in the other cards also, in the third and fourth card. Okay. So go for third card. What want to do? Just double click the next record. See, now the cursor is changed. Then select mail merge fields. Then include all the fields that we have done for the first and second cards. Okay. Place the cursor here. Class. Item 1. Item 2. Item 3. Okay. Then last card. Place the cursor. Double click on next record. Go for sheet, name, class, item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay. After inserting all those things, you can close this fields window. Okay. Now go for file, then click on print option. Okay. Now a pop-up menu is open. From here you can select yes option. Okay. Then change the output from printer to file. Okay. Change it. Then click on the OK button and save it into your folder. Students work 10th. Mail merge. Then click on save. Okay, now you can see creating documents. Okay, now it is created. Now we can go for that. Close this. Go for places, home, then students work 10th. See, mail merge dot odt. Okay, open it. See, name Amal Krishna AV, class 8th, and he has participated for 3 items. Next participants card, next students details is displayed. Abhishek V, 9th, and his items. Likewise, you can see the participants card for 30 students. Okay, this is the participants card for 30 students from a single document. Okay, so this is the facility we can use from mail merge technique. Okay, see, for 30 students, participants card is ready from a single file. Okay, now you can save it. Dear children, you can see a box here that is frames. Okay, you can see card.odt already in your school resources file. Okay, so you don't want to create such a card. So if you want to create a card like this, you can make use of the frames option. Okay, Frames are used to place text or images within a document in such a way that they can be placed anywhere in the document separated from the main contents. Okay, a frame can be placed anywhere in the page according to your convenience. So click on Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Okay, go for Insert. Here you can see the frame option. Can you see this? Okay. Frame. Here you can give the adjustments for frame. You can give the name here, borders, then area. If you want to give any color, you can give that. Okay, click on OK button. Now a frame is created here. You can increase or decrease the size like this. Okay. Now you can give the color. See. Now if you want to add one more frame means you can add that. Insert, frame, then click on OK button and you can adjust its position like this. Okay. To this also you can give the color. Okay. Now you can type the name of your school. Then School Kalolsavam. Then date. Okay. Likewise you can insert the text. Then you can adjust it to center position. You can change the font. Okay. You can make it into bold. You can increase the size. You can change the font color. Okay. So likewise you can create the frame by your own for making the participants card. Okay. Now we can go for the next portion, that is preparing a certificate. Okay. For that you can open certificate.odt, that is already prepared in the school resources folder. So go for school resources, search certificate.odt file. Okay, open that. This is the certificate. Okay, so we want to include the details against name, class, item and grade. So go for insert, field, more fields, database, mail merge fields, then browse result.ods file. Okay, result. In the certificate we want to insert the results from the school resources. Standard 10 results.ods. Here it is. Sheet 1. Okay, so what all items we need? Yes, name. So place the cursor, then insert name, then class, insert class, item, grade. Okay, after inserting all those things, you can check the certificate. See, you want to give the date also, so remove these dots and you can insert the date. Okay, so here you cannot see the date option, so you go for home, school resources, standard 10 result.ods file, and you can add a date field here. Okay, and you can give the date. Okay, just give the date like this. Now save this. Now just close this window and we can open once more. Insert, field, more fields, result. Here you can see the date also. Okay, so click on date. Then insert. Okay, now date is also inserted. Now close the fields window. File, print. Yes. File, output is file. Then click on OK. Go for students work 10th. We can give the name as certificate. Save. Okay. Now document is creating for 29 certificates, 29 students. Okay. Now you can close this. Don't want to save it. Okay. Close all those things. Go for home. Students work 10th. Certificate. This is certificate.odt file. See, this is the certificate prepared for Amal Krishna, and his item is light music. His grade is A. Okay. Then date is also here. Then for the next, Abhishek V and his details. Adarsh, Ajay Krishna, Ajay Ghosh, Akhila R. Okay, so these are the certificates for 29 students from a single certificate. Okay, so this technique is very useful. Which technique is this? Mail merge technique. Okay, so our first chapter is over. If you are having any doubt regarding this topic, you can contact me and we can do all these activities from the computer lab. Okay, here are some more work. This can be done after the lockdown days. Okay, in the next class we can start our third chapter. So you have to write one word question and answers for the second chapter and send to me. Okay, listen one word question and answers. Okay.